Yo, what's going on, traders? I hope you're all having a great time. The winning streak continues. We just smashed another sell on gold this time. This time I decided to sell gold, and it was a late London session. So yeah, I recorded the session as well. I recorded the trade. This trade I only shared with the inner circle of our team. That means all the students that are already enrolled in the Genius Trading Masterclass course, everybody who's in the group chats and everything. Like I've just shared them this trade with the team. So this time you couldn't get a free signal in my free Telegram channel. But if you're new to this channel, check the link in the description. Join the free chat. I will share some good stuff with you there as well. And yeah, let's see why I took the trade, how I took the trade. I was able to bank more than 2% on that one, which is around 130 grand on my 6 million something dollar account. Okay, so let's see what was happening, guys. So let's check the 5-minute chart. Well, overall, as you can see, guys, we have a crazy bearish trend. I know we took a couple of buy entries within that bearish trend, but I saw the opportunity late London that this thing is ready to fall off, like it was ready to drop. I really thought we are going to hunt the liquidity which is sitting over here on the low of yesterday. But anyways, what we had, like we had a strong move and then we had a nice bearish formation, but like the last move to the upside before we had that break of structure over here. I mean, can you see this? I mean, we had a nice bullish structure, you see, on the 5-minute even. It got broken over here, price came back. This would have been a nice entry as well. This would have been a wonderful entry as well. But I was not able to catch this one. But I saw that the market's coming back because many times if they start with a move like that, with a 3-leg extension like that, so many times they come just to hunt these stops and then give it another go to the downside. I mean, I'm watching the charts for a long time and I've seen this so many times because people who are selling here, they move their stop above here, so that means here's a lot of liquidity, and that's why they hunt the liquidity first and then they let the market drop again. So what I did, I was waiting until they show me some kind of a reaction over here, and then I was just stepping into the game. And as you can see, the market was turning around crazy. But let's get into the recording so you can see what I did, because I was playing with my positions as I always do. I was scaling it in and scaling out and stuff. So let's see, guys. I started with, I think, with 4 positions, so I'm still setting up my stop losses, as you can see, just to make sure I'm not risking more than 1%. That's very important, guys. I didn't want to lose more than 1%, and I was putting my stop just above the high, as you can see on the 5-minute. You see this nice, like I was just moving my stop above here. If it goes through that one, I don't want to be involved no more, so the trade is no longer valid. And then I wanted to take some profits along the way, and this is what we're going to do. I will fast forward it a little bit. So now we have 4 positions in the market. And then I was setting up some targets. Let's see. So what was happening? I was waiting for another nice breakout structure to the downside so I can load it up a little bit more and move my stop. So let's see what is going to happen here. Let's see. So there we have a nice, you see, now we have a nice drop. I was already moving my stop and I put 2 more positions on the table. As soon as the market broke this last low, I was like, okay, it could really drop fast now. So I was stepping into the game, reducing my risk. Like I was moving the stop a little bit to make sure I'm not violating my risk parameters. But at this point, I was really sure that we are going to see a nice drop and that we're going to make money on this trade. So, and then we had a nice reaction. Price came back a little bit, and I think I had scaled it up again. Wait. I'm just waiting for the market to show me another nice bearish signal. I mean, for now, okay, so there it broke the first time. Like you see it is a small bullish structure, and then it starts to it starts to change. It slowly starts to change. It wants to drop to the south side. So yeah, let's see. It was consolidating a little bit before we really see it dropping. So I'm going to fast forward a little bit more. You see that? I was stepping into the game on that engulfing candle over here. You see that one? I was like, okay, it's slowly dropping, but it's still dropping. So I was getting in again, and I'm sure I'm going to lower the risk again a little bit with my to make sure I'm not risking too much. Wait. I mean, we have a nice clear break of structure again. Market keeps dropping, and yeah, this is when I was moving the stop a little bit more to the downside. Before that, it was over here. Then I was moving the stop a little bit more to reduce my risk a little bit more, and then I really wanted to take some profits. And this is when I closed the first two trades. You saw that? After that drop, I was like, okay, we are just before the first target. We already had a nice drop, so why not securing some profits, move the stop to break even, take some profits. We're all risk free. Now it's time to breathe again, you know, to relax and see what's happening. And then market keep on dropping. Lovely. So at the next breakout, I was taking some more positions off the table. So I closed some more, close some more. As you can see, market keeps dropping. And then after the breakout, I'm sure I'll close another one. Wait for it. Bam, there's another one. So this is what I've done. And then on this recording, you won't see the last trade. But I was really aiming for a drop to 1,700. But it didn't give us that. It was just moving before yesterday's low, and then it shooted up, stopped me out with another $10,000 profit. So we ended up overall with 130 grand profit, which is more than fine, guys. I'm happy to make like 1 or 2 risk reward is perfect, guys. I mean, we have hit 5 gold trades in a row, so we're on a five trades winning streak. I'm up more than 12% right now, and this with 5 trades in 2 weeks. Let's see, maybe we can catch another nice trade tomorrow, but for today I'm happy with the profits. And yeah, now I'm going to grab some food with my friends. We're going to go to a restaurant, eat something all together, have some fun, and then yeah, let's see, guys. I'm sure we are going to chat later on. So see you in the chat. If you need any help, man, make sure to drop me a message on Telegram. You see the link to the direct message on Telegram in the description below. So if you're looking for guidance, just drop me a message. I'm here to help. Sometimes you need to wait for an answer because I always answer personally when I have time to answer. But yeah, I love to help people, so don't be afraid, man. Just drop me a message and I will help you get on top. I wish you all the best. Have a great day, and we see you in the next video. Peace. Every now and then, my body, you know.